Hi there! I'm Mello Meow. Let's learn and play together. Mello gazed into a calm paper pond.
Who's that, kitty? Mello laughed. I like that, kitty.
A ripple made his ears look silly.
Being different is what makes me special. He smiled kindly at the kitty in the water. Love your unique look. Your quirks are special. Mello folded a paper boat with tiny paws. Adventure awaits!
He launched it into his ocean of dreams.
Captain Mello sailed the grand paper sea.
A storm of flower petals blew across the waves.
He laughed and steered steady and true. Every voyage brings a new idea to life. Create something simple and imagine an adventure. Simple and imagine an adventure.
Thanks for watching, sweetie. I hope you learned something special today.